All right, Ariel, what do you have?
Potato Head.
You have Mr. Potato Head?
Yes.
Where'd you get him?
In the Walmart.
In the Walmart?
Yeah.
All right, you want to open him?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and open Mr. Potato Head.
Open it.
Yeah, you're using your baby muscles?
Whoa. No, I did it. I opened it.
You opened him. Oh, you're just taking all the parts off of him right away. Let me see him. Whoa, he just looked like a potato now.
Yeah, and put back his body on.
You gonna put his body back on him?
Yeah, and he can't stand up.
And he won't stand up? Yeah, he needs his pants to stand up. Here, bring him back over here.
Wait, that's fine.
Do you want to find his glasses?
Yeah.
You gotta open him up.
Okay, we have it.
Inside him.
Yeah, can we?
Yeah.
I did.
You see it.
Oh no, we can't.
You want help?
Help.
All right, how do we open Mr. Potato Head? Right here.
I got it! I found it! It's all different now. I found it! I found his tongue!
Oh, you found his tongue.
I found his tongue, Daddy!
Daddy, she found the tongue.
I found his buttons!
All right.
All right, get his pants. Put his pants on the table. Here's his body. Put him on the pants.
Oh, I'm gonna find that bird. Oh, find all the body.
You gonna find all the bodies?
Yeah, all them. Okay, let's find the tail. We can stand up.
Yeah, you have to put him in his pants so he can stand up.
Okay, let's find his pants.
All right, where are Mr. Potato Head's pants?
These are pants.
Is that a pant?
Oh no, there's no pants.
That's hat.
I found these pants.
Good job.
Okay.
Oh, wow, now he can stand up. Can you turn Mr. Potato Head so Mommy can see him? Thank you.
Let's find him. Let's find his eye.
All right, where are his eyes? He needs ears for the glasses to work.
Okay.
So go ahead.
Okay, let's put his rabbit on.
You gotta eat your food over there, Melissa.
Okay, let's find his hands.
All right, find his hands.
Where's his hands? One more hand. One more hand. One more hand.
All right, he's got his ears on, his eyes on, his arms on,
Okay, let's find his rabbit.
his glasses.
Okay, where's his rabbit? That's a rabbit?
Is that glasses?
No, it's a hat.
That's a hat.
I found his rabbit.
You found his glasses?
His rabbit.
Turn them the other way. Turn them over. Yeah, that way. And put them over his ears. Oh no, his ear fell off. Yeah. Here, hold Mr. Potato Head. I'll help you with the glasses. Hold Mr. Potato Head.
Okay.
Look, Jack make dripping talk. Look, Moose. Look. Dip their hair like this, get red.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go. He wears his glasses low like he's old. Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, put his mouth on.
Okay.
And his nose. Oh, he needs nose to help hold up his glasses.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. Okay, you hold it ready now. Oh.
Maybe if we put his hat on, it'll help his glasses stay on?
No,
Oh, you gotta take his nose off and then put the mustache on.
oh, let's go there.
Well, let's save the glasses. Flip the mustache the other way.
That way?
Yep, and then put the nose through it.
No, not yet, not yet. I'm gonna let that on. But...
Here, let me see put the mustache on the nose. Yeah, put the nose through the mustache, and then put it all onto Mr. Potato Head.
Okay, look. 3 more. What about his mouth?
His mouth.
I found it.
You found his mouth.
2 more things. What about his tongue?
You can either do the mouth or the tongue. You can't do both.
You know that. I'm taking out that.
Alright, put his nose back on and his mustache.
No,
And put his hat on.
no, the tongue.
Alright, put his tongue on the top of his head then.
Oh, that's not right.
That's not right. What goes up there? His hat. Put his hat on him.
Oh, what's the ear? The ear go down.
Alright, and put his hat on.
That way?
Yep. Alright, and then show everybody Mr. Potato Head. Whoa. Yeah, you can do that or the mouth. Alright, say bye. It's time for you to eat.
Bye.
Time for me to eat. Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave with your hand. Did you have fun opening Mr. Potato Head?
Yeah.
Alright.